Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 Hello problem. So to resolve this Windows 11 Hello problem in Windows 11, just follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on Start, then type REGEDIT, open Registry Editor. Now in here expand H key local machine, then expand software. Now in here expand policies. Now expand Microsoft. Now expand Windows. Now expand System. Now double click on System. Now right click anywhere, New, and select dword 32-bit value. Now type here allow domain pin logon and make sure you type similar capital and smaller. Now double click on it and make validata number 1, then OK. Now guys, close and restart your PC or laptop. And guys, after restart you have to click on start again and type privacy group policy, open edit group policy. Now guys, in here in computer configuration, double click on administrative templates. Now double click on system. Now here locate logon, so double click on it. Now guys, here double click on turn on convenience pin sign in. Now select enabled, then guys click on apply, then OK. Now close it and again restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps we can fix and we can resolve Windows Hello not working in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.